Hi guys. So if you studied microbiology or you are studying microbiology in the university right now, I want you to take advantage of this opportunity. So first, I've been volunteering with this ASM um, group, American Society for Microbiology. I joined since 2020 as a contributing member. So it wasn't even a volunteer, it was just like to be a member and contribute. If you're interested in building a career in microbiology, especially in research or academics, you really need to take advantage of this if you're a microbiology graduate. The only thing I regret is not knowing about them when I was in the uni. Because if let's say you are studying microbiology in Futo, is 5 years, and you knew about these people in your 100 level or 200 level, I'm telling you, by the time you leave uni, you will be well equipped. And when I say well equipped, it's not just your academics and your grade. That is not what I'm referring to. With this organization, you can learn a whole lot about, can develop your writing skills, your public speaking skills, your data analysis, research, editing, reviewing, like a whole lot. You can develop a whole lot of skills with them. So if I were you and you were still in the university studying microbiology, you would just jump and grab this opportunity. So they are calling for volunteers, to join in the different categories that they have. If you look here, they have like 6 different categories you can volunteer with, depending on your skills and your experiences. So I'll just go through them one after another and show you what each of the category is all about. And then the link on how to apply, I'll drop it underneath this video so you can go ahead and read and send your application to them. Mind you, it's not like a big deal. So don't think, oh, I don't have this experience, I don't have that experience. No, it is a volunteer. You can just contribute um, anyhow you can to the organization. If it's just about spending 2 hours in a week to review a paper, good. If it's about doing data analysis and data collection for research projects, it's good. So anyone you can do, just go there and contribute. It will help you. I'm telling you, like, emphatically, it can help you based on my own experience. So here they have this under this categories, like they call it guide the organization. So under here is like the people that the board of directors. This might be for maybe lecturers and senior lecturers. They can, because I know the requirement is like a bit higher than somebody that just did a BSc in microbiology. But I know a lady who is under this particular category here, these program committees and subcommittees. I think she's even in this picture. Ola something, she's a Yoruba lady, but I don't know her very well because it's online that I've met, but I know she's under this category and she's in Nigeria as of that time. I don't know whether she has traveled now. So you see, there are opportunities here and it will help you to connect to a whole lot of amazing scientists doing amazing things all over the world in microbiology department and research. So please don't even sleep on this. The how to apply is always there. The only thing you have to read, you have to cultivate the habit of reading. So let's say you want to join the board of directors, the council of microbial sciences, standing committees of BOD, or program committees. Any one of them that you click, you will see information. You see, um volunteer to be an ASM program committee, get acquainted with ASM committees of the board, support our mission. You see, overview, terms, everything, just wherever. All the thing you need, all the information you need to start is there. Read, please, my dears, read. Just read. If you have specific questions, along the line. You can now ask questions, but please cultivate the habit of reading and following instructions. So if you are going to the next category, you see this ASM offers several opportunities to build scientific community in your local area. So here is the one that I feel if I had known about it when I was in photo, I will make good use of this. So if you are still an undergrad in the university right now, grab this opportunity. So you see, when I was in uni, I don't know anything about ASM, and I don't know, there's no group called ASM or a chapter in photo. I think we had like NAMS, National Association of Microbiology, and which other one like that that used to organize conferences. But imagine with this group, you can create a community in your university, and these people have funding, good funding. You can actually organize a conference across university, invite speakers. You can make it virtual, invite online speakers from Canada, US, Australia, depending on um, the lab you want to work with or the university or the personnel you want to invite to speak. You can do a whole lot. So for people that are have this leadership and initiative mindset, please take note of this category. You can become your country's ambassador, like you can become Nigerian ambassador for ASM. You can become young ambassador. All of these are there. How to become ASM Young Ambassador, you click, you see the procedure, how to become ASM Country Ambassador. It's just like the information is just there. Click on it, look, read through, maybe discuss with some of your classmates who are interested and like-minded. You people can come up together and build this community in your university. Let me tell you, it's not just these days, it's not just what you graduated with. If you're really interested in, going out there and making a difference, then grade is not just enough right now. With these organizations like this, volunteering with them, advocating for them, and all that, you can build a whole lot of skills, transferable skills that the workplaces are looking for, not just your grade. Public speaking, data analysis, writing, editing, video editing. All of these things are things you will learn, you know, Google Workspace. These things are is when I left the uni that I started learning most of these things, because in uni I'm just like great, great, great. So please, if you're in the uni, don't sleep on it. Start now, so that by the time you graduate, by the time you package your experiences and your skills in your CV, it will be wow, because you are not just a graduate, you are an all-round graduate. Okay, so make use of this opportunity. This also is another category, shape the science. I think here is people that write. Yeah, you can volunteer to be a manuscript reviewers for the journals and the abstract reviewers. So if you're a writer, I'm with these people. So if you're a writer and maybe you are going into your PhD, you know, you want to go for your PhD, you know that for you to even complete your PhD, you have to publish a whole lot of papers. So joining or volunteering with these people will help you to build that skills and experience you need. So it wouldn't be a big deal for you to just write your paper, because it's something you're used to. So all of this is something you start on time. I am not doing my PhD yet, but I've been with these people. I've contributed in editing some manuscripts and abstracts. Just start. That is the main important. Even if I didn't go for my PhD, I have the experience. I can actually charge somebody money to edit their research paper right now, because I've built a whole lot of experience in that area. But all of this is what makes you outstanding, apart from somebody that just go to university and come out, you know. So this advocate is like for policy makers, those of you that are interested in politics. This is where you can contribute, volunteer with these people. There are people that shape the public policy around microbiology and microbiology research and sciences. So you can join here. Then train and mentor here. You have the opportunity to mentor young aspiring scientists in microbiology. You know, it can be virtual. Most times, it's not even a can. All of the things I've done with these people are virtual. I'm not in the US, so most of their training across, you just join through Zoom or Google Meet, any of them. But you will learn a lot and you will connect with a whole lot of people, international researchers, amazing laboratories, and professors in the Department of Microbiology. You will meet them in this um, organization. So please take note of that. Then this communicate science is like, what are they doing? Okay, if you're interested in science writing, you see, you want to hone your presentation skills, can engage with public audiences. This is where I think this one too is a good place to start because you can, build your public speaking, presentation, writing skills here. So please read through, you know. See, these people even have a very good opening. Look at, they are still accepting applications for volunteer in all of these. Careers web writer, present and clinical microbiology case study, microbial science web writer. So in all of this drop down, you will see information on what is required and commitment and how to apply. You see, so you can just click and submit. Check the one that you are eligible for, the one that you have the skills that are required for it, and apply with them. Okay, please don't sleep on this information and don't join these people that whenever they see opportunities like this, they'll just type I'm interested. Please don't do that. If you see something that you are interested in, you just go ahead and take action. Click on the link, read, cultivate the habit of reading and finding information by yourself. Read. If you now have specific questions along the way, maybe you want to apply and you are confused about a particular stage or something, then you can ask specific questions, and whoever that have the knowledge will answer. But just coming to type I'm interested is just dormant. So please don't do that, okay? Take advantage of this opportunity for all microbiology graduates or in the university. Please don't let this opportunity slip you by. Okay, I'll see you later. You take care. Have a nice day.